If you don't know Canyon Falls, you should. And this house right here is the perfect spot for you to put down roots and start living the Canyon Falls lifestyle. This 4,600 square foot home with 2 bedrooms downstairs, 2 bedrooms upstairs, all with an ensuite private bathroom, plus 2 half baths for guests, 1 down and 1 up. Canyon Falls was designed with nature in mind. It is a place for the outside and you, and it's like having a preserve in your backyard. 11 plus miles of paved trails, 3 miles of unpaved trails. It's a daily invitation to get out and enjoy the great outdoors. You also get to enjoy a clubhouse, fitness center, resort-style pools, dog park, the historic hay barn, and a full calendar of festive activities. 6558 Wooded Falls Drive is a prime location for you to hop on expansive trails, and you have easy access to all the amenities. This home is light, bright, and airy, tons of natural lighting streaming throughout, and no carpet here. Look at this kitchen, you guys. It's got plenty of storage cabinets, lots of countertop, this huge island, perfect for entertaining. There's place for everybody to gather around, and there's easy transition, seamless transition between the inside living and the outside living. This primary bedroom is secluded from all of the other bedrooms in the house, ensuring a private escape for you, the homeowner. This upstairs entertaining center is fabulous for playing a game of billiards and then maybe just coming in here and watching a movie in the media room. You guys, this does not face west. Thank goodness it faces northeast, making it the perfect spot for you to be able to enjoy all year long, entertaining, outdoor cooking, and enjoyment outside.